I'm Dr. Claire Windeyer. I am an associate professor in the Department of Production Animal Health at the University of Calgary, Faculty of Veterinary Medicine. So it's a feasibility assessment of wearable technologies in newborn beef calves. The end goal, the dream, is to be able to detect illness earlier in these beef calves. So that one day a rancher could get a text message that says, go find this calf at such and such a location, something's up. So the rancher can then give that calf the health care that it needs. We are fitting the calves with a collar, which is essentially like a smartwatch. It has the GPS location. It tells us how many steps they take in a day. It also tells us how much time they've spent standing up, lying down, or moving around. We also have special proximity tags in the cows, which tell us if the calf and the cow are close to each other, so we can get an assessment of how much time the calves and cows spend together. So the students were looking at what the behaviors those calves were actually doing in real time and recording those, so that then we can cross-reference that with the data that is being logged into the collars on the calves. We should be finished data collection by mid-June. The rest of the summer will be data analysis, and we hope to have a report by the end of the summer. This summer is really about establishing the feasibility and seeing if the technology works. The future steps will be to actually do more ongoing monitoring to establish what's normal behavior in these calves, and then eventually being able to decipher what's abnormal behavior and what behaviors are associated with sickness in those calves. The other technology that we're using in this study is the radio frequency identification, or RFID tags, which are tags that are essentially in all cattle in Canada. It's mandated that they have those tags in their ears. We're using those to detect if calves are in certain locations at certain times. So we have the calf shelter is outfitted with readers that detect when those calves arrive. Essentially, those tags are already being used for monitoring when cattle move between farms or different parts of the production chain, but we're trying to use them for day-to-day monitoring of those animals on ranch, which is something that hasn't been done much yet. So the end goal is to then look at the relationship between the collar data, the RFID data, and the live observations that the students are doing.